How to create Trust Wallet account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Trust Wallet account. Trust Wallet is a secure, user-friendly mobile wallet for managing cryptocurrencies and digital assets. To create an account on Trust Wallet, first of all, you'll need to ensure that you have downloaded the authentic Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Or you may also use the official website of Trust Wallet, trustwallet.com. If you prefer using applications, then first of all open your application on your mobile device. And once you open it, here you'll be able to see this Get Started button. Tap on this Get Started to begin the setup process. Once you tap on it, here you'll be able to see Create a New Wallet option. Now tap on this Create a New Wallet. And now here you will be prompted to select one of these options. Select this Secret Phase option. Tap on this Create button at the right side and now you will be prompted to back up your wallet's secret recovery phase. This phase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access. You will need to choose backup your recovery phase manually or through cloud services like Google Drive. If you select manual backup, you will need to write down the recovery phase and store it in a safe place. Tap on this backup manually and here make sure to read them and then tap on this check boxes. After that, tap on this continue button below. This is your secret phase. Make sure to keep it confidential and do not share with others. You can tap on this copy to clipboard or you may also write down the recovery phase in order to keep it in a safe place. Once you have copied it, now tap on this continue button at the bottom. After backing it up, you will be asked to confirm your recovery phase by selecting the words in the correct order. Once you have done that, tap on this confirm button at the very bottom. Now after that, you can set up additional security features such as a passcode or a biometric authentication. If you are entering the passcode, you will need to enter it again to confirm. After creating the password, if you want to add the biometric login, you can tap on this confirm button in this pop-up and then set up your fingerprint. After that, you will see you have successfully created your wallet. Once your Trust Wallet is created, you can now start using it to store, send, and receive cryptos. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.